Hey guys, we're back here on Motor Vessel Hülya. You may recognize this boat from previous videos where we did a full navigation refit. We took out all the B&G stuff and put in all new Garmin equipment, and during that time we developed a great relationship with the owners, John and Hannah, who invited us to come back and install a lithium system on board. So we've wrapped that up, and today we're going to show you around and let you see what we've done.
Okay, so we're here in the generator locker. Last time we were on board, we showed you guys the custom battery box that JC Marine Services and Fabrication built for us. Today we've got the starboard installed, which has a non-skid surface on it, which is really nice. For the owners, they can utilize this space for storage. You can jump in and out of here without any sort of an issue or worry about damaging the batteries. So it's turned out really nice. We've also finished up all of our cable management, labeling. Essentially the entire system is installed and up and running.
I want to show you guys the various displays and monitoring systems that we have and talk about some of the features. First, we have our 48-volt Victron Cerbo 7-inch display here. It gives us an overview of essentially everything that's happening with the system. It tells us if our inverter charger is inverting or charging. It tells us if we're connected to shore power or the generator. It'll let us know if our alternators are running and how much power we're producing from them. Gives us a summary of our battery bank, our state of charge, voltage, amperage, things like that. And then as well, it tells us the AC loads that are on board and how much power we're consuming from the system. We have the same display for a 24-volt bank, which gives us the same information, as well as solar, because we have a small solar array set up for the 24-volt bank. Then moving over here, we've got displays for the MG system. This is specifically for the batteries and the battery management information. Just basically gives us an overview of what's going on with the system, the same information as the Victron, more or less, with our state of charge, voltages, amperages. But it'll also allow us to look at each individual battery, all the way down to each individual cell voltage, to ensure that the batteries are balancing, all of our temperatures are good, and that the system is healthy and functional. Another great feature about both the Victron and the MG displays is when they're connected to an onboard network, you can remote into the system from anywhere with an internet connection. With the Victron system as well, we're able to set up text and email alerts based upon a wide range of parameters, but what I like to set it up for is a low state of charge. So if the battery bank drops below, let's call it 30%, anybody that's on the VRM portal will get a text and an email to alert them, which is a great feature. Then lastly, we have our integral display here, which displays the kilowatts that are being produced, the voltage, and the amperage as well, from each of our integral alternators. So an additional feature we have here with the Victron system is the generator auto start-stop feature. Essentially what we do is we take a couple of programmable relays, we tie those in with the existing generator start-stop wiring, and what we're able to do is set parameters that monitor the battery system. So when our system drops down to, let's say, 30% state of charge, it'll automatically turn the generator on. It'll allow the system to charge up to, typically I do about 98%, and then it'll automatically shut the generator down. This is a great feature for owners who don't want to necessarily have to constantly monitor their system and their state of charge. With this feature, the charging will essentially take care of itself. Additionally, we have the ability to manually start and stop the generator from the Victron display as well. So we're looking at a new feature that we've set up for the Garmin system here on Hülya. What we've done is we've integrated the Volvo engines onto the NMEA 2000 network, which gives us all of our engine data displayed here on the chart plotters. This data repeats to each chart plotter on the boat, which allows the captain to view this information from any helm station that he may have. So this is a great example of a typical project for Maz Ocean. You know, we do all of the electrical in-house here. We also have partnerships with various companies down here in South Florida that can handle any needs that you may have, from engine and generator servicing, fiberglass, teak decks, plumbing, refrigeration, air conditioning. If you need it done, Maz Ocean can do it.